Good morning, Grand Forks Central Girls Track and Field Team. I am sending out this video here, first of all, as a learning experience for me because I am so new to Google Classroom and YouTube and all this distance learning. In fact, this is the first thing I'm putting together, hopefully to learn how to do this for class. So congratulations on being the audience today. As I sit here noticing the fog lifting and the sun coming out and the birds singing, I think it's going to be a nice, beautiful day, so hopefully you can enjoy some of the weather outside today. Tried to put the team picture on here, as you can see, but I'm going to have to go and alter some things because it didn't quite turn out how I wanted. Alright, anyway, why I'm sending out this video today is to show you where we're at as far as getting info to you guys for workouts and just general wellness, really, during these strange times in our world. So here's my first attempt at a workout calendar for this week. I will have a video link soon explaining navigation, and that's what this is. Okay, so if I click on the week 6. There we go. Remember, I'm a lot better at spreadsheet thinking. That's my way of interpreting, I guess, or making sense of information in my head. So I went with the spreadsheet. So first of all, we've got the title, we've got the week. I'll probably put the dates in here too. And I've divided up our days: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and a goal for the day. Okay, and these goals are really, they're what we do normally in a track season, but we're looking at them from a different viewpoint. So wellness, learning, warm up, fitness, power, and technique. Okay. Other things to note here are color coding. So a white announcement would be everybody, regardless of your event, age. Blue is for sprinters. Yellow, jumpers. Green, hurdlers. Orange, pole vaulters. Red, throwers. And pink, purple type color, distance runners. And also we have these links here, because I know Coach Lloyd has his own Google Classroom, and there's the code for that. There's a throwers Google Classroom, and I need to receive that code from Coach Tandeschi, so I can link you guys up. If you're a thrower, you probably already know how to get to it. And distance runners have always used nightrunning.com, so the link there should be active. And there's also an activities log that Coach Baker, one of our throwing coaches, designed, and it's really nice. He sent it to me, and now the link doesn't work, so hopefully I can get that soon. Alright, so how do we navigate through this? Well, this is what took me so long. I had hoped to get this out this morning and ran into a couple of technology problems with what I didn't know how to do, and finally I got it working how I want. So we'll just look here now. Every day there's not going to be maybe a certain aspect, I guess. Okay, so like wellness, like here today, get out, enjoy the warm weather, go walk around your neighborhood. I think a lot of snow is going to disappear today. Go notice something you've never seen before. Okay, get outside. Learning, make sure you guys log into Power School today. Quarter 3 ends Friday morning, so make sure you have everything taken care of so that your eligibility is up to date. Warm up, stick with our team warm up here any day that you're going to work out. And today, kind of a power day, so being it's going to be probably the warmest day of the week, good day to go do some sprints. Some other drills. So sprinter, you can work on form drills, hurdlers, posture drills. Now, if we look ahead to other days here, we see a lot more busyness going on. Like, for instance, tomorrow, Tuesday, we have more of a fitness day. And so if you're a sprinter, jumper, or hurdler, notice our fitness day for tomorrow has all three colors. Okay, so really, I'm doing that as a way for you guys to have some choice, and maybe you can combine workouts and give yourself a little variety. Sometimes, we're stuck inside all day, and sometimes getting outside might mean you guys doing some things that you're have a little bit of a decision in. So interval runs, if you hover over that, it pops up there. 60-second runs, a 30-second walk, and you do that for a total of 15 minutes. Okay, and this was suggested by your hurdles coach, Coach McCreary. So anything green there is one that he had recommended. Or you could do a ladder workout. This is what our sprint group was looking at doing. So a 50, 100, 150, 200, 150, 100, and 50. Okay, with a walk back rest, making sure you're able to sustain a 90% to 100% effort. Okay. For instance, on Wednesday, I got wind striders because it looks like it's going to be a crummy, windy, kind of sloppy, wet day outside. Stride at about 90% with the wind at your back. Run tall, run relaxed. And then Thursday again, here we've got two different workouts. And really, I think you could choose either one. Weekend, got some things there. Let's see what else we got. We got plyos, two different plyometric exercises. This was the hurdler one. And this is the, if you remember from last year or 2 years ago, if you're on the team, Zunker plyos, where we do it in the wrestling room. It's pretty intense. Okay. 2 reps is usually a good amount. I know Zunker says to shoot for 3 if you can. And then various other drills here. Got some videos below which I'll reference here for sprinter arm drills, for instance, on Tuesday. Sprinter 3-point start drills on Friday. All right, below the graph here, we have notes from some of your assistants that don't have access to Grand Forks Public School email and Google Classroom. Coach Berg had a little message for you, as well as Coach Zunker, so make sure you read those. And then down here I have a place for resources. Notice this isn't your jumping and hurdling coach is not giving me any of these. I actually haven't shared this document with them yet because I wanted to make sure I had it up and running before I asked them to provide some info. So expect a updated version of this hopefully within a day or two. We've got sprinter cues, just things to remember as you're sprinting. Form drills, you should know those. We've done all of those, but if you don't understand them, please ask. Power drills and YouTube video links. So these should take you to a couple of great video links, even just to listen to. They give you some great tips and reasoning behind those tips for a couple of different things. And so expect this to be added to in the near future. All right, with that said, please take a look, navigate through the document. This just gives you some things to do to stay active and stay positive with what we're facing. We expect the North Dakota High School Activities Association to make an updated decision here probably midweek. So be waiting for that. I will update you with what I find. All right. Take care and happy distance learning. All right. See ya.